it's okay because I have my ring light on and natural lighting. Hopefully I'm not too washed out. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and if you like what you see, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, like and comment. And if you're not new here, welcome back, girl. Hey girl, hey. Okay, so as you can see by the title, we are doing my project pan update number 1. So if you don't know, I'm doing this end of the year project pan with 2 other lovely ladies. You can definitely check them out down below. I'll have them in the description. We are doing this project for 3 months. We just finished October, which is why this is the update. November and December. I've been using these products not on the daily, but I solely been using these products for this month, and I have calculated how many times I've used each product this month. I mean last month of October, and I'll let you know as I go through each product. And I have some pretty decent progress. I've hit pan on 2 products, so that's exciting. But let's just get into it. So going down the line, first is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Before, I'll insert pictures wherever it's gonna be. It looked basically untouched, and now it looks pretty touched. And if you can see, I hit pan on this shade. That is the shade Pooter. As you can see, hit pan on that shade. I'm not specifically focusing on any shade, just whatever shade I hit pan on. You know, I just want to get use out of this palette. But I am kind of focusing on these like neutral reddish shades in this area. If I have the mindset of like a pan per month, a shade per month, then I'll hit pan in 3 shades. So I think I might focus more on this one. There's a pretty nice dip in there, so we'll see. And then possibly this one I might change crease shade to this one, but we'll see. This is what I have on my eyes. So yeah, I'm not tracking like per shade how many times I use it. I'm just tracking how many times I used the whole palette itself in general, and I've used it 16 times and I've already hit pan. Next is the Papa Don't Peach blush. This is where I'm at. You probably can't really tell a difference, but I will put in pictures so possibly you could see a difference in there. I know from seeing pictures right in there it said Papa Don't, like right here, but now you can't really see that. And like the top design, you can't, it's less now. So there is fairly a nice dip in there. So we'll see if I eventually, by the end of this project, hit pan on it. And I've used it 17 times. Then we have ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in Off Tropic, if I can get it open. And there is pan in it, as you can see. It's shiny. I've been using it with a brush and it's been working fine, but obviously since this is like kind of like a cream product, it'll like crumble with the brush. I mean, hit pan faster. But now that I've hit pan, I think I'm gonna try to make the pan bigger, and then I'll roll in another highlighter, because I mean it's beautiful. See, like right there, it's a beautiful like rose gold kind of color, like a rosy color, but obviously in the light it reflects real well, so it kind of like, for me, I don't know if you can see it, like it'll leave like a white cast, which is kind of annoying. So I'm gonna try to make the pan bigger, and then I'll roll in another highlighter. And I've used the Super Shock Chic the highlighter 20 times. And next is this Manicadar mascara. I used it 8 times before I decided to just not use it anymore, because this is a fiber mascara and all the fibers get into my eyes and it really bothers my eyes, and it's just annoying. So I'm just gonna declutter it, get rid of it, because it's just annoying and it hurts and it just, no. So I am rolling in, or I rolled in, the Maybelline Great Lash Big Mascara. And I didn't really like this at first, because like the first coat would be like a really natural lash, and I want a mascara that I can just go on one time and it's where I want it to be. This I have to go in like twice. This is how it is now. I mean, this is 2 coats of the mascara. I really like it. But like I said, I like mascaras that I can just put it on once and it's just bam in your face. Then another ColourPop product. This is a Super Shock Shadow and Sequin, and there is a dip in there. Probably not at, I mean, last time there was a dip, but here, if you can't see, I think you see that little bump right there. I think that might be the pan possibly, so I might be close maybe, but if not, you know, still gonna work on it and we'll see if we can hit pan on it. But this, like, I don't go full force with it. I just like grab a little bit and then just like tap it on for the glitters. You can see that. But yeah, this I've used 10 times. So gonna try to use it some more. But yeah. Okay, next is my Maybelline concealer. So I try to put it in hot water to like get everything to settle down so I can get an actual like spot where I can get it. But now it has windows, and the first line, what is the intro, and I put this line for the update, but now I'm seeing I totally missed this window down here. It's actually like slightly below, and I use this every time I do my makeup. I'm pretty sure in these next 2 months it'll be gone, or at least really close to gone. So yeah, I've used it 16 times. So yeah, this Bite lipstick, mini bullet lipstick, is where I'm at, and I'm about to show you the progress because I locked it in my book. The blue line is where it is at now. So I have progress there. I do have progress. Try to move my hand so you can see it's actually at the edge of the paper. So yeah, there is my progress. I think I'm doing good. Doing good. Hopefully in these 2 months, maybe we'll finish it, or we'll be like super duper close. And if you can see now, that B, it's like right at that B. So maybe by the end we'll maybe reach, we'll have the B will be gone. So I think that'll be my goal. Try to have the whole B gone. I've used it 15 times, and along with this, I also used this Sephora gloss. And like I said, I put it in hot water to get it settled, and this is where it settled at. So hopefully next time I can have a good, you know, progress line thing. I don't know. And I've used that 15 times as well, because I use it basically every time with the lipstick. Next is the Urban Decay black eyeliner pencil, and I've only used this 5 times because I don't use black eyeliner. I've been trying to be creative with it, and of course I'll like tight line my upper waterline. I've been using it as an eyeliner on top, but I've been smudging it out and stuff. But here, the blue line again is where is the update where I'm at now. Yep, right there. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that one. And we're just gonna keep on trucking. I said I was gonna try to get it to the 2. We'll see. is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I have no idea where this is at. I tried getting it to settle down and try to look at it in the light. I would probably say it's around here, but there is a big air bubble in it. But I will put a picture so you guys can see the progress from like the side profile to see how, you know, like that, whatever, you know. But yeah, we'll see where I'm at the end of these 2 months. And I've used it 12 times. I have my Anastasia Dip Brow. This is where I'm at now. And I have made the hole bigger and it's gotten deeper. I have a feeling I'm really close to the bottom, but I'm just gonna keep on using it. I know I'm obviously not gonna finish all of this up by the end of these 2 months, clearly, but I'm pretty sure I can hit pan by the end of these 2 months. And this I've used 11 times. When I go to work, I just want to throw something on. Like, I focus on my face, and then like brows and lips are the last thing that I do. So when I do brows, I just want to take a pencil, go real quick, and done. So I actually have to like try and use this more. So we'll see. And then lastly is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and clearly you cannot see any progress. I can't tell you where I'm at. When I open the bottle and like look through it, I feel like I'm around right here ish, so like a little bit above halfway, but I have used it 17 times. I'm excited to see more progress and definitely can't wait for the end. It's gonna be great. But yeah, those are my products. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing my progress and seeing my pans, the little things that I've had pan on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post next, and you can see when my next update will be if you want to keep up. And yeah, make sure to also check out the other girls' videos as well. And thank you for watching. Bye!